Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to divide both sides by dx. So we have y s. They are degree number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one that is about number 1 dv over dx multiplied by s. This one that is about number 1 dx over dx multiplied by v. And this is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one we have number 1. So this one that is about this one. Y we change for vs. Later that we simplify s for the both sides. So number 7 we multiply by this one. This one that is about 14v. And now I will put this one go to the right. Next, I will put the s and s go to the right. This one go to the left. And number 7 I will put in here. So we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 14 ln of the absolute value of 14v plus number 6. This one that is about ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. So we need to change v into this one. Next, I will multiply both sides by number 14. Next, I will put this one go to the left. Next, we have the formula in here. So I will put number 2 go inside about natural law in here. Because b that is about number 2, a that is about this one. So we have like this. Next, we have the second formula in here. So we copy this one and we got like this. Now s squared multiplied by this one, so we have 14ys plus 6s squared. And now I will put e for the both sides. And now we have the formula in here. This one, that is about capital A, so that is about this one in here. Because this one, they still consider about the constant, so you got about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.